Welcome back to SK Car Reviews, everyone. Today we are diving deep into one of the most iconic SUVs in the world, the 2026-27 Toyota Land Cruiser. Known for its legendary reliability, off-road capability, and refined comfort, the Land Cruiser has always set the benchmark for full-size SUVs, and the latest generation continues that tradition with modern updates, advanced technology, and a blend of luxury and ruggedness that's hard to beat. We're going to take an in-depth look at everything about this vehicle, from the exterior design to the interior features, the performance under different conditions, and of course, the pricing, so you'll know exactly what to expect if you're considering this SUV. Starting with the exterior, the 2026-27 Toyota Land Cruiser maintains the bold and commanding presence that has made it instantly recognizable, yet it introduces a more modern and aggressive design language that gives it a fresh, contemporary look. The front fascia is dominated by a large, intricately designed grille with chrome accents and the iconic Toyota emblem taking center stage. The headlights are now slimmer, featuring the latest LED technology, which not only provides exceptional visibility at night, but also adds a sophisticated touch to the front end. The bumper design is more sculpted, giving the SUV a more athletic stance, while integrated fog lights and LED daytime running lights enhance both style and functionality. From the side profile, the Land Cruiser retains its classic boxy silhouette, which has always been a signature of its rugged appeal. However, subtle changes like more pronounced wheel arches and sleek character lines running along the doors provide a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. Alloy wheels range from 18 to 22 inches depending on the trim, with off-road variants featuring specialized all-terrain tires that are as capable in the desert or mud as they are on paved roads. The roofline remains relatively flat, allowing for ample headroom inside and the option for roof rails for additional cargo or adventure gear. The side mirrors are now larger and feature integrated turn signals and cameras for enhanced safety and visibility. At the rear, the Land Cruiser features updated taillights that echo the front's modern LED design, creating a cohesive visual identity. The rear bumper is reinforced for off-road durability and includes integrated parking sensors and a rear-view camera. A power-operated tailgate is standard on most trims, making loading and unloading cargo effortless. The Land Cruiser also retains its traditional rear-mounted spare tire on certain trims, emphasizing its capability for extreme terrains and remote adventures. Moving inside, the 2026-27 Land Cruiser takes a giant leap forward in terms of luxury, comfort, and technology. Step inside, and you are greeted with a cabin that balances ruggedness with refinement. Premium materials cover nearly every surface, including soft-touch leather on the seats, dashboard, and door panels, complemented by wood and metal accents that elevate the interior feel. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering exceptional support for long drives, and both the front and second row seats are heated, with ventilated options available in higher trims. The third row, although slightly tighter, is practical for occasional passengers, and overall, the cabin is remarkably spacious, ensuring comfort for up to 7 or 8 occupants, depending on the seating configuration. The dashboard is driver-centric, but also designed for convenience for all passengers. The instrument cluster is fully digital, offering customizable displays for speed, fuel economy, off-road data, and navigation. The center console houses a large touchscreen infotainment system with Toyota's latest interface, which is intuitive and responsive. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and multiple USB ports to keep all devices powered on the go. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the premium sound system options, delivering crystal clear audio whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or navigation prompts. Additional features include a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and multiple storage compartments that make the cabin both stylish and practical. When it comes to performance, the Land Cruiser has always been about blending power, durability, and off-road excellence, and the 2026-27 model continues this legacy. Under the hood, the SUV is offered with a choice of engines, including a naturally aspirated V6 and an advanced twin-turbo V6, both tuned to provide a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The twin-turbo V6 in particular produces impressive horsepower and torque, allowing the Land Cruiser to effortlessly handle steep inclines, towing, and heavy loads. The transmission is an advanced 10-speed automatic, providing smooth and responsive shifts, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling challenging terrain. The Land Cruiser's off-road capabilities are legendary, and this new generation introduces advanced technologies to enhance that capability further. Features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and an adjustable suspension system allow drivers to navigate sand, mud, rocks, and snow with confidence. The SUV also comes equipped with a full-time four-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and skid plates for added protection. On-road, the Land Cruiser handles remarkably well for a vehicle of its size, offering a composed and comfortable ride thanks to its sophisticated suspension setup and noise insulation. Steering is precise, braking is strong, and overall the Land Cruiser feels both commanding and reassuring behind the wheel. Fuel efficiency has traditionally been a challenge for full-size SUVs, but Toyota has made strides in optimizing engine performance to balance power with economy. Advanced engine management systems and aerodynamic enhancements help to reduce fuel consumption without compromising performance, making the Land Cruiser a more practical option for daily use, long road trips, and off-road adventures alike. For those concerned about towing, the SUV boasts an impressive towing capacity, capable of handling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment with ease, which adds another layer of versatility to this already capable vehicle. Safety is another area where the 2026-27 Land Cruiser excels. Toyota has equipped the SUV with its latest suite of safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. The Land Cruiser also includes multiple airbags, a reinforced body structure, and advanced stability control systems, making it one of the safest SUVs in its class. Whether you are navigating busy city streets, winding mountain roads, or off-road trails, you can feel confident knowing that safety is a top priority. When it comes to technology and convenience, the Land Cruiser is packed with features that make life easier and more enjoyable. Keyless entry, push-button start, multiple driving modes, and a head-up display are standard or available depending on the trim. For off-road enthusiasts, trail cameras, off-road navigation, and tire pressure monitoring systems provide crucial information when exploring remote areas. Interior comfort is enhanced with tri-zone climate control, customizable seating positions, and advanced noise cancellation technology, ensuring that both driver and passengers enjoy a serene and connected ride, no matter the terrain. Let's talk about pricing. The 2026-27 Toyota Land Cruiser is positioned as a premium full-size SUV, reflecting its combination of luxury, capability, and technology. Prices start at a competitive range for the base trim, making it accessible for buyers who want the rugged reliability and Toyota reputation. Higher trims, which include advanced off-road features, premium leather interiors, and cutting-edge infotainment systems, are priced in the upper range, reflecting the vehicle's high level of equipment and craftsmanship. Considering its longevity, resale value, and versatility, the Land Cruiser offers excellent value for money, particularly for buyers seeking an SUV that can handle both urban environments and the most demanding off-road adventures. In summary, the 2026-27 Toyota Land Cruiser continues the legacy of one of the most respected and capable SUVs in the world. Its exterior design blends tradition with modern styling cues, giving it a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the cabin is luxurious, spacious, and technologically advanced, providing comfort and convenience for all occupants. Performance-wise, the Land Cruiser is a powerhouse, combining potent engines, advanced transmissions, and legendary off-road capabilities, while also offering improved efficiency and on-road comfort. Safety and technology features are comprehensive, ensuring peace of mind in any driving situation. And finally, the pricing reflects the vehicle's premium positioning, offering value through durability, capability, and a host of features that make it a true all-around SUV. Whether you're a longtime Land Cruiser enthusiast or a first-time buyer, the 2026-27 model is designed to impress, perform, and endure. It's an SUV that can take you on your daily commute, cross-country road trips, or challenging off-road expeditions without compromise. Toyota has managed to preserve the legendary reliability and toughness that made the Land Cruiser a household name while integrating modern technology, luxury, and comfort that today's SUV buyers expect. This combination makes it not just a vehicle but a long-term investment in mobility, adventure, and peace of mind. So if you're looking for an SUV that offers unmatched capability, refined luxury, and advanced technology, the 2026-27 Toyota Land Cruiser should definitely be on your shortlist. From its aggressive yet elegant exterior to the comfortable and high-tech interior, from powerful engine options to legendary off-road prowess, and from a comprehensive safety suite to thoughtful pricing, this SUV truly delivers on all fronts. It's an impressive vehicle that continues to define what a full-size SUV should be in 2026-27, and it's ready to tackle anything you throw at it, whether it's urban streets, mountain trails, or remote wilderness. Thank you so much for watching SK Car Reviews today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026-27 Toyota Land Cruiser, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more car reviews, and leave a comment down below telling us what you think about this incredible vehicle.